Good morning children, welcome to class 2 computer, working on computer children. So the lesson we have started in the last class. So our topic is working on computer. How you can start and shut down like that, you are going to learn children. Okay, working on computer. So see children, as given in the picture, see it's feeling very hot for them. So what they are doing, they will put the fan. Okay, so you get a cool air in it and you switch on and you feel that cool air. Okay, in the same way, to work on the computer, first you have to switch on your computer children. So there are some steps are there how you can switch on the computer. Okay, so that one we will see. So for example, see in our kitchen or when you want to watch TV. So when you want to watch TV, what you will do? First, you will switch on the power supply. Yes, no, the cables will be plugged into the switch box. Okay, so you will switch on the mains. Then in in television you switch on with the remote. Then again you will use the remote to change the channels. And the same way mixer grinder, what you will do? First you will connect the plug into the socket, then you will put it whatever you want to grind, put it in the jar and keep it inside to correctly fit into the mixer grinder. Then you switch on to grind it. Okay, there is some steps children to do all these things like that. When you want to switch on the computer, some steps are there. So what is that? We will see now. First one, then we are switching on the computer now children. That is called as booting. Okay, the booting, the word used is booting. So booting, it will take time children. So you could have observed, when you switch on the power supply means only computer will not be ready. It will take some minimum seconds to some minutes. Okay, some seconds it will take to get ready. Okay, so that one how we will see now. The first step, you switch on the power cable. Okay, see this boy what he is doing? First he is switching on the power cable. Okay, then what he is doing? Switch on the power button of the CPU. Within CPU you have a power button. Click on to that power button. Okay, then in monitor also you have a button, monitor button, that one you have to switch on. Then in the monitor you can see like this children. Okay, something appear on the screen. So we will not do anything till it's get loaded and everything gets set up now. Till that time we will wait children. Okay, so when the computer is booting, do not touch other buttons. Okay, then the step 3, you might see some following screen. Okay, like this some screen will be seen. You can click on the cancel button here. Okay, you can click on the cancel button using the left button of your mouse. Okay, then 31, next page children, you will see the following screen on your monitor. Okay, you will see the following screen on your monitor. Then suppose the power supply is not there. Okay, the computer should not shut down immediately like that. Okay, so for that, this computer can be connected to UPS children. UPS is uninterrupted power supply. That means when the power goes, okay, the UPS will provide the electricity children. Okay, will provide the current to the computer so that we can continuously work on it. Okay, so UPS is used when there is no electricity. Okay, the screen which you see after booting no children, this screen is called as desktop. Okay, this screen is called as desktop. Okay, then next one, let's have fun. By coloring the star of the correct word, identify which of the following are computer related words. Okay, so desktop is a computer related word. Booting, Booting is also a computer related word. Radio, it's not. Okay. So we will not color it. CPU is a related word of computer. Then rat. Rat is not a computer word. Fish, this is not also a computer word, children. Okay. Now you have worked on the computer for some time. Then you want to switch off. How to do? Okay, that one we will discuss now. Okay, so you are in a room. Okay, you have been studying over there. Then you want to go outside. So what you will do? You will switch off the light, fan, and close the door and go no, like that. After finishing your work, there is a step to be followed, so that you can shut down your computer, children. That one we are going to see. How to shut down your computer. So in page number 33, so the first step, click on the start button. See, down on the task bar, you have the start button, children. So click on the start button using your mouse. Okay, click on this, left click. Okay, then step 2, click on the turn off computer option. So here in the red color you will be getting turn off computer. So click on that. Then third one, click on the turn off button and wait for some time. Okay, again this one will come. So shut down it will ask. So click on that and wait for some time. Then automatically your computer will get off, children. Okay, the computer will get off. Okay. Now again I am repeating, children. Click on start button seen on the lower left corner of your monitor using the left button of the mouse. Okay, so you can see here, children, the left start button over here. Move the mouse, keep it on, and then click on over there, the left click. Okay, then second step, click on the turn off computer options. Okay, click on the turn off computer options. Then click on the turn off button and wait for some time. So in this also one dialog box will appear like this. So click on that and then wait for some time. So your computer will get shut down finally. Okay, children. So today's class we learned about how to start your computer and how to shut down also, children. Take your textbook and read. Okay, children. See you in the next class.